Here are the 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 8 and lesson number 8. There was a quote that I heard in 2023 and it changed my life. It's also a book by Scott O'Neill. But the quote and the name of the book is, "Be where your feet are." Be where your feet are. And anytime I find myself going into my head a little too much, and anytime I would be tempted to overthink, to create fake scenarios in my head, to create assumptions, I simply just stop and I remind myself, be where your feet are. Be here, be present, and be grounded in this moment. Because there is nothing that we truly have but this moment right here, right now. If we think about manifestation as well, we cannot create in the past or the future. We create in the present. We can only create in the here and now. So can you imagine just how powerful it is to be present and to be grounded? There's so many ways to come back to the body, but my favorite way is tapping, which this is what my page is all about. I have programs and courses around it. And another simple way is breath work. Breathing deeply for a few moments reminds your body to be here because you're moving all of that energy from your head, from your mind, into your feeling body. So let me know, what are some of the important lessons that you learned in 2023? And I hope you commit to be more present in 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow and follow for more.